So this is an amazing tool, whether you're doing lights on a tree, you're doing your helper, and all it is a $2 paint roller, and you bend it to make it look like so. Put it on Mr. Long Arm that costs you 40, 50 bucks. And now you can use this to help get the lights up on the house. So what you can do is you can just take this here and grab it, and we can put these lights up on the house, knock out the little solar lights. That's the best thing to do. And we can dump these in the gutter here, and then we can also keep on going here and plug in the end of the group. And this way, as the guy is installing, he's not pulling up through the bushes and trying to make the bushes getting tangled on bushes. You'll see over on this side of it, there's lots of bushes over here, tons of bushes that these lights are going to get stuck on. But if I can dump them up in here, your helper do this will make your job go so much faster, because then all you got to do is just clip, 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 instead of sit there trying to pull and untangle out of these bushes. So if you sit here and do it like now, even if he's up on the roof, you can see that how they're going to get tangled up in that bush, and then one time I'm going to be pulling on them and they're not going to come. So that's why you want to go ahead and your helper can throw them up into the gutter, so when you come to do it, it'll be a lot faster to get them done.